So, to begin with, I have created extra empty slides so that I can demonstrate how to work from the start. Take a handful of the pictures of your choice. Now I am going to edit the picture. Click the picture and right click. Now go to Format Picture. Select this shadow. Increase the distance and blur according to your preference. Let's do that for all the pictures now. Let's color the background. Let's come back to the first picture. Right click this time on the background and then click on Format Background. Remember, you will not right click on the picture. Right click on the background because you have to fill the color in the background now. Similarly, do it for the rest of them.
Take your time and do your tricks. All I do is sing along. Yeah, I need you around for brighter light and firmer ground. When you believe in me, love is gonna set me free.
Now for slide zoom, go to Insert and then click in Zoom. Now select Slide Zoom. Select all the slides that you want to showcase.
Take your time and do your tricks. All I do is sing along. Yeah, I need you around for brighter light and firmer ground. When you believe in me, love is gonna set me free.
Later, arrange them accordingly. Again, it is up to you how you want to display them.
Yeah, I need you around for brighter light and firmer ground. When you believe in me, love is gonna set me free.
I hope you have understood today's session. And if you have understood today's session, then voila! You have understood how to do slide zoom. Alright, do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Until next time.